Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram from PC. So to get started, let's open web browser and log in your Instagram account. So here when you tap on create option, there is no option like live and you cannot see any kind of live option. So basically there is no option like live on Instagram from PC. So firstly, you need to download OBS Studio. This is the open broadcaster software. It is free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. So we need this for live streaming to go live from Instagram. Now go to the settings as shown here, and here tap on video and here change the resolution. Here set the resolution to 1080 into 1920. And then tap on OK button. So you can see this is the resolution of Instagram. Now go to the plus icon that is located on source section. Click on video capture device and rename it. Let me rename it FaceTime and then tap on OK option. Then it will give you this kind of interface. Here select your webcam. For now let me select integrated webcam because I'm using my laptop camera for the live stream. So let me select integrated webcam. If you want to make your camera virtual, then you can just tap on OBS virtual camera, then tap on OK option. Now you can adjust your video on this frame. Now again tap on plus icon as shown here and then tap on audio input capture. This is for audio, and then rename it again. Let me rename it mic and then tap on OK option. Now select the device. Here you can select your mic name. For now I'm using my laptop mic, so I'm selecting this option and then tap on OK option. Again go to the plus icon and here select window capture. Click on it and rename it again. Let me rename window and then click on OK option. So this is your windows that you want to set on your frame, then tap on OK. Again set this window to your frame. Now you need another software called Elodoc. You can download it from the web browser. So this is it, Elodoc. So the log out for now, I have already logged in, so let me go back and log in it again. Enter your Instagram username and password, then tap on login and start. So it will log in your Instagram and here select your account. It will generate your HTML URL and stream key. Now go back to your OBS Studio and tap on setting option and then click on stream. Here copy the URL from the Elodoc and stream key from the Elodoc and paste here. Let me copy from the Elodoc and paste here. So in this way you can paste it and then tap on OK option and then tap on start recording. So you are live on Instagram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.